How to use Investopedia. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can use it. So we will be seeing in this video how you can use the Investopedia simulator and get the best out of it. So for this, just simply open up Investopedia account and create an account. It is quite easy. It is just like the way you create your social media accounts. Just provide the email address and provide the password and you will be able to create it. And when you open up the account, you would be given $100,000 as a virtual cash, and you can utilize it in order to maximize your profits and check your strategies. So there are various features on it, and we will see each one of these features in order to see how it all works. So just close the initial window, and after that, this is how it will appear. Your account value will appear over here, and this particular simulator works only when the market is open. So currently the market is closed and it will open up in 1 day 21 hours, and only after that we will be able to do the simulations or check our strategies. You can check the top players over here. The leaderboards are also there in case if you want to compete with the people out there. So let's see how we can invest this particular amount that we just got. For this, just simply click on this option of trade and now search for any company that you want to trade in. Suppose I want to trade in Iron Mountain, so I will just type its symbol and click on this option. After that, all the information related to Iron Mountain will appear over here. Now I can check whether I want to take the trade or not. Now when you scroll down, you will be able to find there are different options, whether you want to buy, sell, short or buy to cover. All these options are there. Just select your action, then select the quantity for which you want to take this particular action, then select the order type, whether you want to purchase at the market price or you want to set a limit order or stop limit. Then select the duration, it is day only or good until cancelled, and just preview your order and you would be able to set your order. This way you would be able to make the purchase. And in case if you want to purchase some other one, then just simply change the symbol over here and you would be able to purchase it. And this is how it will work. Just keep rotating your capital and make it as big as possible and test all the strategies that you have in your mind without losing your real capital. You can just simply test out your strategies before trying them out on the real market. And in case if you want to go for the options, just select the options on the top and here just type the symbol or company name. Then you would be able to go with the options of any particular company. Now you can check all the expiry dates and all the info related to options and just take the call the way you want it. And you can check all your order status on the last option over here, which is basically the subsection of trade. And here you can check all your orders and cancel them or make changes to them if you want to. Now let's explore the research section. On this section, you can research about any company out there and check their fundamentals and their technical analysis or all sort of details regarding that particular company. Suppose I want to research about Apple. So we can see some of the details over here, like the change in price in last 24 hours, the amount of that particular change, and also the technical ratings that this particular stock possess right now, and the volume price, market cap, and PE ratio, price to earning ratio basically, and earning per share is also there, employees, and every sort of detail is there. Now when we click on this particular stock and wait for a while, we will be able to see a bigger picture of it. And when you scroll down, you can see a little info about this particular company, which is Apple obviously. So when we scroll down further, we can see the fundamental data, like the market cap is there and all the other ratios are there. Price to earning ratio is there and all the balance sheet is there. Balance sheet data is there. Basically, you can check the ratios, quick ratio, current ratio, and check all the debt that this particular company has and whether this company can pay its debt using its assets or not. and all sort of details. And on the basis of these fundamental details, you can take your decisions in the market and check whether your strategies are working according to your research or not. So this is how it will all work. On the learn page, you can learn about the stock market and all the terminologies related to stock market. It is quite good and you can check it out. On the games section, there are different games. You can join them and play with any particular player and do the trades. So you can also create your own game if you want to. And in case if you want to deal in crypto, then just simply switch your simulator to crypto in order to trade in crypto and test out your strategies of crypto. So this was all about the Investopedia simulator, and I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can just simply comment down below and our team will be happy to help you. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.